Now when things are being set up and running, it's the best thing we've ever done. We've had cows up to 50 kilos, which we've never had before.
Since putting a Dairymaster Parlour in it, lifestyle is a lot more relaxed. Milking times have easily halved. Our cow numbers have increased. We've found that it's easy to find staff. People want to come and work on it.
The technology behind it is very good. And to be fair, the Dairymaster support has always been very good.
We think a lot about our cows, but to have the company think a lot about our cows as well, it meant a lot. We had no problems with mastitis, we've had no problems with them not dropping the milk. And the first night we milked, we didn't have a milker kicked off. So yeah, I think they're happy.
It's over 2 million cows that's been through it. You know, we still consider it the new Parlour. That's the way we like to try and keep it, and it's a nice place to work, a nice environment to work.
The cow flow is amazing compared to the old one. You open the gates and they come in. It takes under a minute to load 20 cows.
I'm happy with it, milking out better. You know, they're letting the milk down faster. It's doing everything that I thought it should.
We're down 7% on cake, but we're up another 3% on yield. At the same time of year with less grass, so the parlour's all we can put it down to, really. The yields have gone up. We've averaged it out that they've gone up 500 litres a day. So that in itself will pay for the parlours.
Fantastic machine, it works well, very reliable.
It had to be reliable, it had to have the backup service. We were looking for the parlour to milk the cows well. It's all right getting a lot of cow throughput, but the cows have got to be milked properly. On all fronts, these boxes have been ticked.
They were fantastic to deal with. As a company, I couldn't fault them at all.